Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start right now, power the Ps5 and make sure your TV is on the input the console uses. Once done, pick up the DualSense and press the PS button, then go to Settings. You want screen and video because brightness lives there. This is faster than guessing in-game menus. Make sure HDR is enabled if your TV supports it, otherwise you'll only see a basic brightness control. Next, select the Display or Brightness section so you can change values precisely. You'll now adjust the actual values. Choose Brightness or HDR Brightness depending on whether HDR is on. Move the slider in small increments and watch the screen. Subtle changes matter, especially in dark scenes. If your TV supports HDR, run the Adjust HDR calibration. It walks you through showing target patches so you set peak luminance correctly. Once you see balanced blacks and highlights, stop adjusting. Make sure to test with gameplay footage or a movie to verify perceived brightness matches expectations. Finish by saving or exiting. The PS5 applies changes immediately, so load a game or app to confirm. If the picture looks too bright or washed out, toggle HDR off and on, then redo the HDR calibration. Sometimes the handshake resets and fixes levels. If problems continue, make sure your TV firmware is current and try a different HDMI cable or port. Compatibility can affect brightness. If you still see issues, revert to default settings and reapply step by step to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.